Welcome back students. So in this video we would be focusing on creating tasks and reminders. Now what is the difference between task and reminders? Now it's up to you. Means if you go by the definition, task means if you are supposed to do any action, and a reminder means if you need to remind yourself something, let's say someone's birthday, or let's say someone's anniversary, or let's say you need to pick up medicine. Task can be more about actions. Let's say you need to go to shopping, or let's say you need to complete the project file, something like that. So I'm going to create both of it, and you can see the difference also. Now here in Google Calendar, I'm not going by the definitions, what task means and what reminders means. Um, Here I'm going by the way they look and the option Google Calendar is providing in both the options. Okay, so let me first create a reminder. So I am creating a reminder on 11th of January. So I'm simply clicking over here, and let's say I'm going for a reminder. Now here you can see in the reminder, very few options are coming. First one is the date is coming, and second, does not repeat, or whether you want to repeat it, that option is coming. Reminder is going to be for all day. That's the reason here no timings are coming. However, you can set the timing, so you need to uncheck this, and you can see particular time is coming. You can set the time as well. Let's say here I am saving a reminder, or I want to set a reminder, that is second COVID vaccination. Very important, yes, of course. So after the first vaccination, it's 84 days, you can take the second vaccination. So very important thing. So I've set the reminder to it, and let's say that's on 11th of Jan, uh, and I'm going to set it in the morning hour. Okay, so here let's say 8:15 a.m. would be good. Now here does not repeat option is selected. If you want to repeat it daily, definitely I'm not going to take vaccination daily or weekly basis. It's a one time event, you can say. I'm not going to repeat this. Simply I can click on save. But before I can click on save, one thing I want to tell you, that if you are going for the task, then not just the title, you are having the option to add the description as well. Okay, so that is one difference. There are a few other differences as well. Okay, so let me click on save. So that's the reminder. You can see 8:15 a.m. on 11th of January, second vaccination. Let me click over here, and you can see. If you need to make any changes, you can come over here, edit reminder, fine. Otherwise, let's say if you need to delete this, you can simply click on delete, and that will be deleted. I'm simply clicking on undo, so because I don't want to delete this. Okay, so that's the kind of symbol you are getting here. I have today's 8th of January, and three reminders has been set. And if I will click over here, you will get to see all the reminders, which is called Ramanand medicine, pick the Nancy medicine, meeting call Ram to set the meetings. Okay, now a few of the reminders I have created in Google Keep. There also we can set reminders. Okay, and Google Calendar as well. So that is how reminders look like. Now here you can see the blue color for reminder. This is not fixed actually. Let me come to the left hand side. Here you can see reminders. Let me click on the three dots, reminders. Okay, now here you can see the display this, that's in blue color because I have selected. If I want this to be highlighted, let's say in some other color, let's say this one. Okay, the color name is citron. Okay, so here you can see the color scheme has been changed for reminders. Now let's create one task. So let's say on 18th of January I'm going to create a task. Let me click over here, and I'm going for task. Okay, now here you can see the task is very much similar to reminder. The only difference is the description option. Here you can add the description. So here let's say I am setting the task. Let's set the task that whenever I am closing the office, I forgot to switch off the Wi-Fi. That's not compulsory, but if you are doing this, that's good. So let's say I am here typing close Wi-Fi. Okay, and that's something that I'm not going to do once. I'm going to do let's say on weekdays many a times. So what I'm going to do here, it's selected all day. Okay, now here it's not going to be all day, rather I can, let's say, I'm closing the office most of the time at 6:15 or 6 p.m. So I have set the task for at 6 p.m. That's fine. Now here is the option of does not repeat, and here I can go for the option of, let's say, every weekday, which is Monday to Friday. That's an appropriate option. So let's say I'm selecting this. Now you can add the description also. Let's say close Wi-Fi, and you can click on save. All the task has been highlighted in green color, you can say, and that's from Monday to Friday, apart from Saturday Sunday, because that's a weekend. Again, if you want to change the color, you can simply click over here, that's on three dots, and you can change the color over here. I don't want to do that. Okay, now let's say if you need to edit your task, or let's say if you want to delete your task, then click anywhere on the task. Okay, now from here you can edit it. Okay, but however I want to delete this, so I'm clicking on delete. Once again you will get to see few options. First one is this task, means on that very day, which is January 19th. So January 19th task is going to be deleted. If you will go for this option, this and following task, means not before 19th of January task is going to be deleted, but 19th January and after that. And if you want to delete all the tasks, then you need to click over here. Right now I want to delete all the tasks, so simply I can select and click on OK. So all the task has been deleted. So that's how reminders and tasks can be created. Now, one final important aspect is, let's say here there are three reminders and it's going to be combined, and it's showing like this in the calendar. If I will click over here, then I will get to see what are all the reminders. However, if you have created multiple tasks on a single day, then it's going to show like this. Here you can see on 15th of January, there are two tasks and both of them are being shown separately. So here it's in 4:32 p.m. The first task is to complete side project, second task is to do a shopping apparel. Okay, so that's another difference, that how that is being displayed. So this is all about reminders and tasks. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.